Hey Steve, since I'm the greeter this week, I wanted to find out something about your showboat.
Hello, David. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, Steve.
On my showboater. Well, being in the insurance business, SMA Insurance Services, doing a showboat is a little bit different presentation than what some folks may do.
Well, why is that?
As the showboater, what I try to do is give a PowerPoint presentation showing different things about insurance and why you need to have that type of coverage. This next week, I'm going to show a little bit about property coverage and the damages that have occurred because of all the freeze damage.
Yeah, there was a lot of damage with the snow and the freezing temps last week.
Very often we find that people will tend to underinsure their property because they don't expect a disaster to happen. But as we saw 2 weeks ago with the freeze in Dallas, many people were hurt because pipes froze, pipes burst, offices were flooded, people don't have a place to do business, their retail stores closed, their offices closed, and right now it's really a struggle to get a contractor out to get any of these items fixed.
Wow, I hope that the business owners have enough coverage to get everything fixed.
Sadly, many business owners think, well, I only have about $50,000 worth of property to insure. They tend to forget the display racks. They forget about the office equipment. They don't think the inventory is that high, and they're trying to save a few dollars, which I understand. But what I try to ask people is the question, if this place burned down tomorrow, and you came to work and all you saw was fire trucks and fire hoses, would you be happy with getting a check for $50,000 from the insurance company? Or would you rather that check be $75,000 or $85,000 or $90,000? Because you think you're saving money by getting a cheaper policy and saving $100 or $200 when in fact you could have just cost yourself $25,000 or $30,000.
I personally would like the larger check. Thanks.
One of the things we don't want to do is sell you insurance you don't need, but at the same time, I'm there to help you realize there's something there that you haven't thought of that you may have a claim about. And that's the time you need to know, do I have the right policy? Not after you've had the claim. When you buy the policy, you want to know those answers. So hopefully it'll be educational for everyone that logs in tomorrow and sees our showboater program as a preview to the regular menu.
Okay, thanks, Steve. I look forward to seeing your showboat this Wednesday. I need to call Colin to see what he's going to be doing for his presentation, so I'll catch you later. Thanks. Hey, Colin, calling about your presentation this week.
Hey, David. Thanks for calling.
You going to be ready?
Yeah, I am ready to give my presentation this Wednesday, and we're going to cover some installation options. We're also going to be going through common chemicals that are in the water, and also touch a little bit on shower filtration for the home.
Are you going to show anything about installing the system?
I'm glad you asked. I'm actually here. Let me turn this camera. And about to install and try out a new product, because this product is a faucet that has a built-in water filtration nozzle. Now my problem is the cost is very good, and the advertisement looks a little bit too good to be true. So it's going in my house first, because I wouldn't put something in your house that I wouldn't have in my house.
Hey, I like that. Sounds good to me.
Thanks for calling.